Welcome to AniMotive, where we bring inspiration to life. In today's video, we'll explore the art of mastering time management. Are you ready to boost your productivity and achieve success? Let's dive in. We all face the challenge of managing our time effectively, but with the right strategies, we can conquer this hurdle. So, let's start by understanding the power of setting priorities. To prioritize effectively, we'll use the Eisenhower Matrix. This matrix helps us categorize tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent, important, not urgent, and not important. By identifying high-priority tasks and focusing on what truly matters, we can maximize our productivity. Remember, not all tasks are created equal. Now that we've set our priorities, let's move on to effective planning. Planning helps us make the most of our time. Let's create a schedule that allows us to allocate time for different activity. Remember to be realistic in your planning, allowing buffer time and breaks to avoid burnout. One common roadblock to effective time management is procrastination. Let's conquer this habit. Procrastination often stems from various reasons like fear, overwhelm, or perfectionism. But by breaking tasks into smaller steps and using techniques like the Pomodoro technique, we can overcome it. Starting early and staying consistent is key to avoiding the last-minute rush and achieving our goals. Now, let's address another productivity killer: distractions. Distractions can derail our focus and productivity. To combat them, we need to create a conducive work environment. Turn off notifications, use productivity apps or website blockers, and practice single tasking to maintain focus. Remember, every moment of focused work brings us closer to success. To recap, we've explored the art of mastering time management. By setting priorities, effective planning, overcoming procrastination, and managing distractions, we can unlock our true potential. Now it's your turn. Implement these tips in your daily life and watch your productivity soar. Take control of your time for personal and professional success. Remember, mastering time management is a journey. It takes practice and commitment, but the rewards are worth it. Stay motivated, stay focused, and never stop striving to become the best version of yourself. Thank you for joining us today on AniMotive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences with time management in the comments below. Until next time, remember that time is a precious resource. Make each moment count and create a future filled with success and fulfillment. This has been AniMotive, inspiring you one doodle at a time. Take care, stay motivated, and keep chasing your dreams.